Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play word puzzle games. First, understand the main goal, finding specific words within a grid of letters. Take a moment to observe the game board and the letters provided. Many games offer clues or categories to guide your search. Begin by scanning for familiar letter groupings and common word structures to get started quickly. Once you understand the objective, start actively searching for words. Look in all directions, horizontally, vertically, and even diagonally. It helps to visually trace possible word paths with your finger or a stylus. Prioritize finding longer words first, as they can often unlock more points or reveal key letters for shorter words. Don't be afraid to try different angles. Many word puzzle games offer helpful clues or power-ups. Don't hesitate to use a hint if you're truly stuck on a difficult word. Power-ups, like revealing a letter or shuffling the board, can be game changers when used at the right moment. Be mindful of any time limits or a limited number of moves, as these factors influence your strategy and urgency. The best way to master word puzzles is through consistent practice. Regular play will significantly enhance your vocabulary and ability to spot word patterns quickly. Don't shy away from challenging yourself with more difficult levels or exploring various game modes. Always take a moment to review any words you missed. This helps you learn and improve for your next game session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.